Hello everyone, welcome to Genius Phonics and Grammar classes. In today's video, we are going to learn about the different sound of EA. EA has two sound, long E and short A. EA has a long sound, that's E. Kr, E, cream. Dr, E, dream. Eat, seat. Eep, leap. Eat, eat. T, tea. Each, teach. Each, reach. Each, beach. Eat, meat. Team. Ease, please. Jeans. Seam. Leaf. EA has a short sound A. Aid, head. Br, aid, braid. Dave. Eight, sweat. Health. Burr, ace, breast. Ache, break. Feather. Weather. Spur. Sprayed. Heavy. Instead. Wealth.